most cases. So if it does it again, he probably just assumed that that is the bottom or a snag right there. You hit something. Fish, fish, fish. Yep. All right, we're on one, guys. Oh, it's a skip. Skipper, bottom bead. We are on a fish, guys. Already. That was a cool bobber down. Looks like a skipper, which is just a smaller steelhead. Yeah, he's coming right in. Here we go, guys. That's a pretty fish. We're probably gonna release this guy, but here, got him. That bobber went down super slow. Hey, first fish on the day and it was cool.